The relationship between nature and philosophy is a rich and complex one. Nature has been a source of inspiration, knowledge, and moral guidance for philosophers throughout history. In return, philosophy has provided a framework for understanding nature and its place in the human experience. As we continue to explore the natural world, we will undoubtedly continue to find new insights that will enrich both our understanding of nature and our understanding ourselves.